The meaning of quadratics. Quadratics are algebraic expressions of the form are expressed in the following shown on screen, where a, b and c are numbers, a and b are coefficients and c is a constant, while x is the only variable of such expressions. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Is a quadratic expression where a equals 5, b equals -4 and c equals 2. We will discuss quadratics extensively in Chapter 9. For now, we will limit ourselves simply to explaining how to factorize them in order to express a quadratic expression as a product of two brackets where possible. This is not always possible. That is all for Lesson 6.4.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.4.3. Factorizing quadratics of the form x squared plus bx plus c, a, equals 1. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.